we'll guide you through how to make a photo negative in Lightroom. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Adobe Lightroom on your PC to begin editing the photo. Once Lightroom is launched, import the photo you want to edit into the application. After the photo has been imported successfully, select the image from the Library module to prepare it for editing. Next, click the Develop module to access the editing workspace and all available adjustment tools. When the Develop module opens, locate and open the Tone Curve panel to begin creating the negative effect. Inside the Tone Curve panel, click the Point Curve button to switch from the parametric curve to the editable point curve mode. After enabling the point curve, drag the bottom left point to the top left corner of the graph. This changes the darkest tones into the brightest tones. Next, drag the top right point to the bottom right corner of the graph so the brightest tones become the darkest tones, completing the inverted luminance curve. After inverting the main tone curve, switch to the red channel curve and invert it by moving the bottom left point to the top left corner and the top right point to the bottom right corner. Repeat the same process for the green channel curve by inverting both endpoints to reverse the green color values. Next, switch to the blue channel curve and invert it using the same method to reverse the blue color values. Once all three color channels have been inverted, confirm that the negative color effect has been applied correctly. If the image appears too bright or too dark after the inversion, fine-tune the exposure slider until the overall brightness looks balanced. After adjusting the exposure, modify the contrast slider if necessary to improve the separation between the light and dark areas and create a cleaner negative appearance. Continue making small adjustments until the image has the desired inverted look while maintaining visible details throughout the photo.